Holy fuck, I'm chopped.
What's good with y'all? Today we're back with another video, and in today's video we're actually going over Benji Blue Bills vocal preset. I was really surprised when I heard his song because his vocals are very crispy, but I know he uses a very professional studio as well, so I'm not really that surprised that it sounds so good. But yeah, today we're gonna recreate the song he did on stream, on Black Boy Max stream. It's called Yourrage. It was like a diss track towards Rage, and yeah, we're just gonna get right into it. We're here in FL as always, and I remade the song, and we're first gonna listen to the original song.
She keeps sucking that dick like she wants something. Turn her on like she got a little hoe button. Why she fucking me back like a whore or something? Hit my phone and they talk about a war or something. Hey Ray, bitch, we finna get paid. Hey Ray.
But yeah, that's the song, and here's my remake. We're actually first gonna listen to it without the preset, and this is gonna be bad. I'm just warning y'all. Alright, so this is without the preset. She keeps sucking that dick like she wants something. Turn her on like she got a little hoe button. Why she fucking me back like a whore or something? Hit my phone and they talk about a war or something. Rage. It's we finna get paid, rage. And the whip like a slave, rage. But yeah, as y'all can hear, that doesn't sound very good. But as soon as we just press these little buttons right here, this is the ad-lib preset, by the way. It will come with two presets, main vocal preset and the ad-lib. But yeah, this is with the preset on.
Oh, vibe.
Much better.
She keeps sucking that dick like she wants something. Turn her on like she got a little hoe button. Why she fucking me back like a whore or something? Hit my phone and they talk about a war or something. Hey Rage, it's we finna get paid, hey Rage.
So yeah, as y'all can hear, that's so fucking accurate. I'm gonna play it back with my version and the real song.
She keeps sucking that dick like she wants something. Turn her
on like she got a little hoe button. Why she
fucking me back like a whore or something?
Hit my phone and they talk about a war or something. Hey
Rage, it's we finna get paid, hey Rage. And the whip like a slave,
hey Rage. We not worried about Chase, hey Rage.
No way. We not worried about Jason that big fat.
Ain't no smoke, but right now you the other side.
And by the way, the ad-lib preset is so accurate as well. I'm gonna show y'all.
Hey Rage, it's we finna get paid, hey Rage. And the whip.
Hey Ray, bitch, we finna get paid. Hey Ray, ran the whip like a.
It's the same shit. I will post this on my website, by the way. For y'all that don't know, I have opened the website, so y'all can go cop some presets. We have the Ken Carson preset, and we have the Lil Tecca preset. And all the presets on the websites are like really high quality. So if you cop this preset, bro, you will be set. I'm gonna show y'all like just the vocal itself. Like we're gonna listen without and with.
She keeps sucking that dick like she wants something. Turn her on like she got a little hoe button. Why she fucking me back like a whore or something? Hit my phone and they talk about a war or something.
Y'all can hear it. It's a fucking game changer. These presets are so fucking good, bruh. And by the way, the preset contains some Waves plugins, so keep that in mind. But I mean, if you browse around a little bit on the internet, you know, you can maybe find these plugins in your own way. And also, when you get the preset, you can link this to get extra clarity. I can demonstrate.
She keeps sucking that dick like she wants something. Turn her on like she got a little hoe button. Why she fucking me back like a whore or something? Hit my phone and they talk about a war or something. Hey Rage, it's we finna get paid.
What this does is basically makes it wider basically. And then a fab filter that just fixes the dynamics a little bit. Also, we have a Discord server. If y'all want to join, we got 1.6k members now, I think. So I really recommend y'all to join and get feedback on your music, download free presets, and just communicate with the server. If you fuck with Benji Blue Bills and you like how this sounds, I really recommend you to cop this preset. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If y'all got any questions or suggestions on what video you want next, just leave that shit in the comments below, because I read almost every comment. Like, subscribe, and share to a friend who needs this. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.